Okay, good afternoon. It is 12:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It is 2-16-2025. Last video I made was behind the scenes, and yeah, I'm Mr. Scream How. I use it for a couple years, approx, maybe 2024. Now, the past months and the past couple days, I did record a lot of videos in my time. Surprisingly. So that's great. Now, people who are new to YouTube, I am Mr. Rozak, or Matthew Rozak. I am a weather person who does basic weathering, who knows some of the basics about weather, and I just put them into a video that's packed around 16-17 minutes. This episode is also sponsored by Gen Z Media. Gen Z Media or GZM shows is a great way to, listen to podcasts, especially the 6-minute podcast where it's all about and finding sci-fi, and figuring out somebody's past. Hidden Island, before it's Hidden Island that you're striving to know about mystery. And don't forget the Big Fib. The Big Fib is just you look and you find out who is lying. The recent episode during this video was made was actually clocks. Lying about clocks. For more information about what I said, head over to gzmshows.com. Link is in the description. And that was your thing. So moving on. So after that, sorry about that. Moving on. So okay, so what we're looking at here. So what we're looking at here is a giant snowplow, which is currently hitting Lansing now. It's big. It's being very light. Now, remember, if you don't remember, I'll remind everybody, right over here where I'm highlighting, see there's light, moderate, heavy, and this stuff. Now, light gray means it's light, dark gray is moderate, and black is heavy. Well, currently for, whoops, didn't want to do that either. For Lansing, we're getting very light snow. But, approximately over here, if the wind is moving to the east, or to the right, or east, this whole entire snow, if we get lucky, it's going to hit Lansing again, starting from Lake Michigan. We call that lake effect snow. Now, what is lake effect snow? Lake effect snow is when snow forms over a lake. Boom, done, said it. Now, at the same time, lake effect snow doesn't form when the lake is frozen. Now, it just formed over the lake. In fact, you can take a look at it. Come on, how far can I go over here? Okay, well, parts of it formed over the lake. Now, and at the same time, we'll break it up. Now, there's really nothing we can do. What's going to happen is, if it gets lucky, it'll hit Grand Rapids, Norton Shores, Grand Haven, Kalamazoo, Hastings, Lansing. Now, those are my predictions, but let's find out. Ooh. Wait, what? I need to analyze. I just saw something caught on my eye, so I'm just gonna sit back, relax, and just, because I know I saw something. that's gonna keep getting bigger. So let's talk about what I just saw. Now, so what is really gonna happen is this snow is gonna move to the right, but then it will stop. And then what happens if it stops? It gets bigger. When that gets bigger, it's like an invisible wall, so like right here stopping it. But then it bypassed by growing big, leaving Grand Rapids. And then as the storm gets bigger, it gets Grand Rapids, and Kalamazoo, and Jackson. So this, which means there's a good chance we may not have school because the snow, we're gonna have basically infinite snow. It's gonna keep growing bigger and bigger and bigger as the same as it's gonna stop. And then this big snowstorm is gonna connect. Look at that. That's a mess. I cannot believe this, but that is a mess. I'm probably not going to report on that. Most likely I will. Well, we will look at Lansing's weather. Oh yeah, I gotta click you. I gotta click stupid forecast. Here's Lansing's weather for today. Let me click. I think I have to click you. There we go. I usually, weather is all about graphs. Graphs. Oh, and there's a thing called Indiana Jones Great Circle on Xbox. So, well, I'm not going to play that. Take that back. We are good at school. So, sorry for 5 p.m. It was set at 5 o'clock. Excuse me, 6 o'clock. And then right about 12 p.m., like snow showers. All the way until 10 p.m. And usually it's just going to be sunny, cloudy, partly sunny. Not bad, but that's cool. But we will look at Petoskey. Petoskey, someone like snow, you know. Actually, wait, let's go into weather. Oh, okay. The weather's been shifted. Lansing, a bunch of other stuff are not getting a winter weather advisory. But I got some new news for you. I just heard it recently. Or it could be now, or it could be later. I'm not gonna say anything. It could be my producers. You will never know. A tornado has been touched down in some of these states. These states are unknown. Yeah, I didn't even know about it. Like I said, I know the basics, but I don't know the complexity. So you know how some storm systems work? Yes, I know that. Petoskey currently still in effect is in winter weather advisory from February 16th, from Sunday, February 16th, which is 16th now, 10:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time to 4 o'clock. This quick, what? Additional snow accumulations around 1 inch. Where? Charlevoix, Cabloin, and Emmett counties. When? To 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions and low visibility at times. Summary. Slow down and use caution while traveling. Issued by the National Weather Service of Gaylord, Michigan. Yeah, now scan this QR code to get weather information. What I'm getting for weather. Also, Tom, if you don't know, Tom. If you read the bottom here, this is Tom. What is Tom? Well, Tom is a mapping. This Microsoft is using a mapping company to do the weather. Well, I know the details. I know the basics. But, yes, I agree. Some additional snow. This may hit it. But, sorry for traveling today. In fact, going all the way into West Virginia. What's happening here? Is a winter weather advisory. going from partly from Michigan to Ohio in Dayton. So yeah, actually first let's actually look at our Petoskey thing, and also it appears on radar maybe a gale warning in effect. Petoskey, starting from 5 p.m. through 8 p.m. will be light snow showers. But then tomorrow at 11 a.m. light snow showers all the way through 11 p.m. And then 2 a.m. through 5 a.m. snow showers and so on and so on. Now, I just want to inform everybody these to be accurate. Because, like Michigan, Lake Huron, they control the weather. I have zero control of the weather so far. So, my prediction. So, I'm the broadcaster. I somewhat predict things, but they don't do all the work. Microsoft does every single of the work. On my new line, or my smartboard, some of this, the reason why I don't, because Wondershare, my editor's software is going cuckoo. Now, because of that, I'm able to record a video. Hopefully, it's better. It's probably from YouTube. Not really sure, but who cares? Moving on. Fun fact: my editing, it's also owned by a trans company. Let me look at the hurricanes real quick. No hurricanes, actually. I just actually looked at it myself. But if you look right there, this looks like a hurricane, but it's practically not. It's actually a low pressure system. In fact, I mean just drinking my chocolate milk. In fact, whoopsies. See, low pressure system. Not bad. 28.1, no. Low pressure system. Usually made there's a storm coming or something big happening. What this indicates means there's something gonna happen. Doesn't mean so. Just the chances are pretty high. Like, if your ears start popping in a tornado, or near a tornado, it's a good chance it's a tornado. Because that low, because say you go on an airplane. If you went on an airplane, which you should if you didn't, your ears pop, 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 pop. You know, something, and now, same thing. It's because of that pressure. Now, same thing, when low pressure hits you like a tornado, it'll go pop, 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 pop. I'm not sure that's accurate. I think it's like 14 minutes. I might as well do it by city. Or look at our city tour now. You can request anything for my channel. Just email me ElijahRosick@gmail.com. Okay. Now we're looking at. Okay, it's for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll make this quick. So, looking at Port Charlotte's weather, and then we'll move on. After looking at severe weather. I don't think there's nothing. Okay, so starting from Port. Oh, what current advisory? Current statement starting from Port Charlotte, from Tampa, all the way to go to Bonita Springs. Let's read the rip current statement, and then it's going to say the same thing, just like over there. Like, so if this is Florida, we have two oceans: Gulf of Mexico, or now Gulf America, in another ocean, which I forgot the name. Now, it's going to say the same thing as the other side of Florida. Why? Well, that is because it's changing. No. just a saying, swim near a lifeguard, don't go in the water. Remember, even though rip currents savings are not there, they still exist, but the chances of getting sucked out to sea is very low. Just stay out of the water. And then, got a gale warning, small craft advisory, and from the Miami is a rip current statement. And we're going to do our city tour. Alright, our city tour today, it will be Tokyo. Now, for the fact of the day, did you know Tokyo is... Oops, how do you spell Tokyo? Tokyo, Japan. Did you know that Tokyo is the world's largest city in the world? Here's Tokyo City. Tokyo. Alright, let's see what's in Tokyo. I've never been to Tokyo, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Whoa. Their cities are no. Yeah, I agree. This is the most largest city. It actually looks big, actually, myself. Like I'm actually looking around, and I'm like, this is big. Here's a van. There's a truck. Also, Tokyo's also the most. Yeah, they do a very terrible job. Now, I'm using Google, like, they do a terrible job. Like, I can see some people's faces. Like, I know some people, like, yeah, like, I think the last episode I had to use I have to better how to blur it out manually. Because I don't want to get people yelling at me because I showed the face. And I have no excuse because it's true. This was actually updated February 2018. Which was the most, well, this was 2023. Now, which was the most, 2009? They tell you, on the top here, they tell you, now, for safety reasons, they combine pictures together, and they tell you because they don't know what tracking people and, like, terrorists and stuff. So what they do is they combine different dates, and when they combine different dates, they do stuff. And they tell you the dates. So this was the latest one, 2009. But the most recent one was actually this one, 2023. But then we moved. It's gonna 2000. You see what I mean? Like, yeah, they could just combine pictures together. Alright, thank you for watching this episode. May you have a great day and a better day tomorrow. And please, subscribe. It helps out my channel. Remember, head over to gzmshows.com because it's imagination amplified.